up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today it's our sugar house video. We're actually sugaring. Even it's March something, but there's a foot of snow. It snowed last night, so just finished snowballing, so I can make the video. So I don't know if I showed this. This is where our sack goes in, and so we have a pump. And the pump brings the stuff up here. So that one goes inside. And then I showed you in the last sugaring video the this update that we made for it. I think I showed you the spoiler before. Nice. Anyway, here's this new fan thing that we built.
What's that, bud?
So it makes the thing get hotter. Fire get hotter. And right now that's 213. So that's nice. Boiling. That's the fan. And so that's nice. Snap like that. Oh, that is good. And we have these bags. Oh. We have these bags. But that could be ran out of buckets. So yeah. Here we the cover of our thing blew off. Good, I don't know where that is. Yeah. Water bottle. Hi.